If you make use of Opera browser, you're going to open your Opera browser, and at the top you're going to type in www.caddiesoftware.com. It will take you to the home page of the Caddie software, and now you will see this option that says try now. So if I'm going to click on try now, Caddie will explain to you how the evaluation version works, as well as what applications is included with the software. So I'm going to click on download, and you're going to add your credentials. So I'm going to start off using mine. First name, last name, your telephone number, and as you can see, I'm in South Africa. So I'm going to say continue, and then Caddie will tell you that if your download doesn't start automatically, please click here to download. But as you can see, by using the Opera Exporter, Caddie asks us now where's the path we would like to save the file. So by default, it's saved under your downloads folder. So as soon as I'm going to hit save, have a look and see on your top right hand side. My top right hand side, you will see that there's a down arrow, that's the downloads, and as you can see, it displays the progress of my download. It will be finished in 12 seconds, and then we will have an option that either run the file, open the file, or we can browse to the folder where the file is. So let's have a look. Now it says download complete, and on the right hand side you will see that there's an option that says show in folder. So I'm going to left click, and as you can see, there's my exe. So now we just have to double click on the exe to start the installation.